Hello students. Today we will start chapter 18 in English grammar and chapter 18 is conjunction. Now, what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. Conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. Now, what do you mean by joins? So, join here means connect two or more words or two or more sentences. Now, they connect words. How they connect word? Let me give you example. Now, see here example. Hari and Ram are brother. Here and is connecting between two words Hari and Ram and thus joining these two words. Hari and Ram are brother. Now let's see how conjunction join sentences. First we will see sentence example without using conjunction and then with conjunction. Now see the example. Ajay is a good batsman. Virat is a good batsman. Here there are two separate sentences, both giving information about two batsmen and their quality. We can join them with and make one sentences. Now see, Ajay and Virat are good batsman. Now you see how it converted two sentences into one without affecting the meaning. Now let's see one more example. The man is poor. The man is honest. Here both sentences are describing the man's quality. We can join them with the conjunction but and the sentence will look like this. Now see, the man is poor but honest. Here but made the sentences easy to read and write without changing the meaning. So the main use of conjunction is to join either words or sentences or sometimes clauses. Now let us understand with more examples and more explanation. Now look at these sentences. The dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. I want to go to play, but I am sick. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. The words and, but, or, because, and if are conjunction or connecting words. A conjunction connect words or group of words or short sentences. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, what would you prefer? Ice cream or a chocolate? We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. For example, this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. For example, Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. For example, Nisi was happy because she won the painting contest. We use if when there is a condition. For example, if it is sunny tomorrow, we can go to the zoo. Remember to add a comma before the conjunction when you connect sentences. Now, look at your books. Look at the picture below and complete the passage suitable joining words and, so, but, because, or. So here you have to read the passage and complete it. Now see B number. Complete the following passage with suitable conjunction. Monkeys are interesting. Dash they look and behave like man. So here so they look and behave like man. Man have 2 hands and 2 feet, but monkeys have 4 hands and a tail too. Monkeys have 4 hands, so they can climb trees quickly and easily. Monkeys are attracted to new or strange things. They are also good at copying things that man do. So this also you have to complete it in your book. Now C number. Let's read. Here is a passage. You have to complete this passage by writing yes or no. Okay, so first you read this passage and write yes or no. So this you do by yourself. Now D number. Let's write. To do in this, you have to use all the conjunctions and, but, if, and see the sentences difference. Number 1 has been done here. Mother said we could play because we had finished our homework. Number 2, mother said we could play but only when we finished our homework. Mother said we could play if we finished our homework. Mother said we could play and then finished our homework. Mother said we could play or finished our homework. Okay, in this way you have to complete this exercise. So you have to complete page number 65, 66 and 67 in your English grammar book. Till then, thank you.